Hello and welcome. You're watching Rajya Sabha News. I'm Tina Jha. Let's begin with the headlines. Rajya Sabha passes Coconut Development Board Amendment Bill 2021. The bill aims to boost production and marketing of coconut and its products in domestic and international markets. The Limited Liability Partnership Amendment Bill 2021 introduced in Rajya Sabha aims to improve ease of doing business for companies. Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Amendment Bill 2021 also introduced in the House. And Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu expresses anguish over unruly behavior of members, urges the MPs to uphold the traditions and dignity of the upper house. Rajya Sabha on Friday passed the Coconut Development Board Amendment Bill 2021. The bill seeks to make the post of Chairman Coconut Development Board as a non-executive one. The number of members of the board have also been increased from 4 to 6, as after the amendment, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat will be able to nominate their representatives in the board. The bill will pave the way to appoint a professional as a non-executive chairman instead of a government official. This step will be beneficial to the coconut growers at large by boosting production and also marketing of coconut and its products in domestic as well as international markets.
संशोधन अब लोगों ने प्रस्तुत किया है, इसके पीछे उद्देश्य यही है, नारियल का जो क्षेत्र है उसको और विकसित किया जाए, विपणन की सुविधाएं दिया जाए और उससे किसानों को अधिक से अधिक फायदा मिले। इतना ही मैं इस अवसर पर कहना चाहता हूं और जिन सदस्यों ने इस पर विचार व्यक्त किए उनके प्रति आभार प्रकट करता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the bill is passed.
Two other bills were introduced in the Rajya Sabha on Friday. The Limited Liability Partnership Amendment Bill 2021, seeking to improve ease of doing business, as well as the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Amendment Bill 2021 were introduced in the upper house. The bill aims to make changes to the deposit insurance laws to provide funds up to 5 lakh rupees to an account holder within a period of 90 days. This in case of a bank coming under the moratorium imposed by the Reserve Bank of India.
I rise to move for leave to introduce a bill further to amend the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008.
Resolution moved. The question is that the leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Rao Indrajit Singh, please introduce the bill.
Sir, I introduce the bill.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, honorable members of the House, on behalf of my senior colleague, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, I rise to move to introduce a bill further to amend the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Act 1971.
The question is that the leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Dr. Bhagavat Karat to introduce the bill.
Sir, I introduce the bill.
Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu expressed anguish over unruly behavior of the members in the House. He urged the members to uphold the traditions and dignity of the upper house.
It was brought to my notice, some members are visiting in the house, city bazaar है, अपना आदत के कारण से, पुराना आदत के कारण से, अगर सदन है, दूसरा some members are putting their hands on the shoulders of marshals. I don't know what prompted them. Thirdly, some people are taking play cards and going and standing in front of the minister. All these things, we are taking the house to a new low. I am very much concerned about this. There are two ways. One, ignore this, allow this to become a bazaar. हर एक व्यक्ति अपना सीटी बजाते रहो. दूसरा, taking action. I feel really sorry to say this, even from this podium. I never expected my members to go to that level. Yeah, protesting, walking out, vehemently opposing the government for this thing. All those things are part of it going on. And also sometimes even stalling also nowadays. Earlier also some people were telling me there were, yes, I'm not going into that. But house का मर्यादा, कोई पद्धति, परंपरा, parliament, ये देखना पड़ेगा. I just inquired the question hour and 0 hour. They are members' property, not governments. Second is that private members is totally members. The third one is when issues are taken up, names are called. If they don't, so from yesterday onwards we have started a new system where members name so-and-so member has raised so-and-so issue. At least that will be part of the bulletin for tomorrow's, for future generations parliamentary. That books will be there so they can understand that also. And all these things will be part of the bulletin in the coming days. I only request all the members to see that the decency and dignity of the house is maintained in the house. That's my earnest appeal. There is a limit for patience and we should not exhaust the patience of the house.
And Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs V. Muralidharan made a statement regarding government business for the next week. The government's legislative agenda for the monsoon session of Parliament includes nearly 31 bills and financial items.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to announce that government business for the week commencing Monday, the 2nd August 2021 may consist of 1. Consideration of any item of government business carried over from today's business list of business. 2. The discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the insolvency and bankruptcy.
Just mention, that's all. Mention and go.
Bankruptcy Code, Ordinance 2021. 3. Discussion on statutory resolutions seeking disapproval of the Commission for Air Quality Management in National Capital Region and adjoining areas Ordinance. 4. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Essential Defence Services, along with the passing of the Commission of Air Quality Management Bill in place of the Ordinance and also the Essential Defence Services Bill. 5. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Tribunal Reforms Ordinance and consideration passing of the Tribunal Reforms Bill after it is passed by Lok Sabha. 6. Consideration and return of the appropriation bills relating to the following demands as passed by Lok Sabha. That is the supplementary demands for 21-22 and excess demands grants for 17-18. 7. Consideration passing of the following bills after their introduction. 1 is Constitutional Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Bill, Limited Liability Partnership Amendment Bill, the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Amendment Bill. Then 8. Consideration passing of the bills as passed by Lok Sabha, the Inland Vessels Bill 2021, the Airport Economic Regulatory Authority of India Amendment Bill 2021. 9. Consideration passing of the following bills after they are passed by Lok Sabha. 1. General Insurance Business Amendment Bill and Central Universities Amendment.
So that's it from us in this bulletin. Thank you for your time.